Are you ready to uncover hidden treasures in the digital marketplace? In 2025, selling digital products is one of the smartest ways to build a scalable and profitable business. But here's the catch. Most people stick to oversaturated niches. Today, we're diving into untapped opportunities, digital products that aren't saturated yet, but have massive earning potential. Stick around to learn about these hidden gems and how to make them work for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more game-changing business ideas. 1. Niche-specific Canva templates. Canva templates are in high demand, but the key is focusing on underserved niches. Instead of generic designs, create templates for specific industries like real estate, personal coaching, or wellness retreats. Think about what these professionals need, such as social media graphics, brochures, or pitch decks. The best part? Once you design them, they can be sold repeatedly with no extra effort. Market your templates on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Highlight their ease of use and customization options to attract buyers. 2. Gamified learning resources. Education is evolving, and interactive learning tools are in high demand. Create gamified digital products like quizzes, flashcards, or educational games tailored to specific subjects or skills. Focus on unique areas like language learning, coding basics, or mindfulness practices. Use platforms like Kahoot or interactive PBS to design engaging resources. Teachers, parents, and lifelong learners are always on the lookout for innovative tools to make learning fun and effective. Market your products through educational forums, social media groups, or affiliate partnerships. Collaborate with educators or influencers to expand your reach and build credibility. 3. AI-powered business tools. The rise of AI has created demand for accessible tools tailored to small businesses and entrepreneurs. Develop digital products like AI-powered budget planners, customer management spreadsheets, or automation templates for workflows. These tools can help streamline processes and save time, making them highly attractive. Leverage platforms like Notion, Airtable, or Google Sheets to design user-friendly solutions. Focus on specific use cases, such as content planning for bloggers or expense tracking for freelancers. Highlight the benefits of automation and simplicity in your marketing. Offer one-time purchases or subscription models to maximize revenue potential. 4. Specialized online courses. While online courses are popular, there's still room for growth in niche subjects. Instead of broad topics, focus on highly specific skills or industries. Examples include drone photography, sustainable fashion design, or advanced Excel techniques for accountants. Design courses that are concise, actionable, and results-driven. Use platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Gumroad to host and sell your courses. Incorporate engaging elements like quizzes, worksheets, and community access to enhance the learning experience. Offer different pricing tiers, such as basic access and premium packages with one-on-one coaching. 5. Digital wellness programs. Wellness is a booming industry, but many digital solutions are generic. Create tailored programs focusing on specific goals, such as managing chronic stress, improving sleep, or building morning routines. Design downloadable guides, video series, or interactive apps to deliver your program. Highlight evidence-based strategies and actionable steps to differentiate your product. Market to busy professionals, students, or parents looking for practical and accessible wellness solutions. Use social media, blogs, or podcasts to share valuable tips and attract your audience. Collaborate with wellness influencers or host live webinars to showcase your expertise. 6. Hyperlocal travel guides. Travelers are always searching for unique, off-the-beaten-path experiences. Create hyperlocal travel guides that explore lesser-known destinations, activities, or cultural insights. Focus on specific cities, neighborhoods, or regions to cater to niche audiences. Include maps, itineraries, and insider tips to make your guides comprehensive and user-friendly. Sell your guides as downloadable PDFs or interactive apps through platforms like Gumroad or your own website. Highlight their exclusivity and the value of exploring hidden gems. Collaborate with travel bloggers, influencers, or local businesses to promote your guides. 7. Eco-friendly do-it-yourself kits. Sustainability is more important than ever, and eco-conscious consumers are seeking hands-on solutions. Develop digital, do-it-yourself kits that teach users how to create sustainable products, such as homemade cleaning supplies, upcycled fashion, or zero-waste crafts. Include step-by-step instructions, material lists, and bonus tips in your kits. Market them to environmentally conscious individuals or communities on platforms like Etsy or Pinterest. Use visuals and testimonials to demonstrate the impact of your kits on reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Collaborate with eco-influencers or host workshops to showcase your products. 8. Customizable digital planners. Digital planners are a staple for productivity enthusiasts, but customization options set your products apart. Create planners tailored to specific lifestyles or professions, such as student schedules, fitness trackers, or creative project planners. Use platforms like Notion, GoodNotes, or PDF templates to design your planners. Highlight features like drag-and-drop elements, color themes, and modular layouts to attract buyers. Market your planners on social media, productivity forums, or your own website. Offer free templates to showcase your design skills and drive traffic to your shop. Gather feedback from your audience to improve and expand your offerings. 9. Hobby-based membership communities. Turn hobbies into thriving communities by creating membership-based platforms. Focus on niches like knitting patterns, tabletop gaming resources, or digital art tutorials. Provide members with exclusive content, monthly updates, or live Q&A sessions to enhance their experience. Use platforms like Patreon or Discord to manage and grow your community. Highlight the value of connecting with like-minded individuals and accessing premium resources. Offer tiered memberships to cater to different budgets and interests. Engage actively with members to foster a sense of belonging and loyalty. Collaborate with experts or influencers in your niche to attract new members and expand your reach. 10. Virtual reality experiences. As virtual reality technology becomes more accessible, unique virtual reality experiences are in high demand. Create digital products like guided meditations, virtual art galleries, or immersive travel experiences. Focus on niches like mental health, education, or entertainment to stand out. Partner with developers or use virtual reality creation tools to bring your ideas to life. Market your virtual reality experiences to early adopters, tech enthusiasts, or professionals seeking innovative solutions. Highlight the benefits of your products, such as stress relief, creative inspiration, or enhanced learning. Use demos, reviews, or influencer partnerships to showcase the quality of your experiences. Continuously innovate to keep up with advancements in virtual reality technology. Digital products are the future, and these hidden opportunities can help you stand out in a crowded market. By focusing on untapped niches and delivering value, you can build a profitable and sustainable business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insider tips on succeeding in the digital world. Let us know in the comments which idea you're excited to try first. See you in the next video.